everybody, it's Brittany from the Madison Library District. Today's STEM craft, we're going to be making a comet catcher, so let's get to it. Alright, so in your packet today you are going to get a bag of Model Magic and a piece of yarn, some foil that's been folded up, a big sheet of it, and our science explanation, which if you want to follow the directions on that to make your comet catcher you can. And there's some fun books and history stuff about Halley's Comet. There's also going to be an origami paper for you to make your comet catcher. I'm going to put that to the side because I have one already here. So first off, you're going to rotate your paper so it is in the shape of a diamond. And we want to fold the diamond into a triangle. Make sure you crease that line. And next you're going to fold your corner over and making this kind of other triangle to this point. And this is your straight line here. Then you're going to fold another arm over. And see how that matches up there in that corner, and then we're flat here. This is now a pentagon, so now we're going to flip it over. And you're going to take the open top here, we'll see, and fold that piece down so it's straight. Crease your line, flip it over again, and we'll fold down that piece. And this part where you kind of created a pocket with your arms, folded arms here. So what you're going to do is you're going to fit this piece into your outermost arm. Once you slip that in there, now we have a little cup, and then we're going to pop it open. Alright, there we have it. And then you can kind of fiddle with the bottom to make it more square if you want to crease it. Sometimes it'll lay right, sometimes it won't, but there you go. That's how you do your cup. And you're just going to cut a slit in the bottom like we did for our example here. We cut a hole in the bottom and then fed our yarn through it, tie a knot on the end of your yarn, and then crinkle your foil around the other end to create a ball. And then that's how you do it. And then also, if you'd like to use your Model Magic, you can either create the ball instead of foil. You could use your Model Magic, or if you wanted to just create a sculpture like an astronaut or a spaceship or something like that to go with your comet catcher. It's just something fun for you to do. Alright everybody, I hope you had a fun time making our comet catcher. So the reason why we're doing this is because it's the library's 100th birthday, and every month we're going to do a different decade, and this decade was 1910, which was when Halley's Comet was first photographed. So fun fact for y'all, I hope you had a fun time. See you next time.